Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unpin apps from your taskbar on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The taskbar is a user interface component in Microsoft Windows operating system that provides quick access to open apps, files, and system settings. It is usually found at the bottom of the screen and allows quick access to key features including the Start menu and Task Manager. On my previous video, I've shown you how to pin apps to your taskbar. But now, what if you want to remove if you have too much apps on your taskbar and want to remove some of them? How to do it's very simple. So first, you can just choose on the app that you want to remove from your text bar. You can move your arrow, your cursor to the app. For example, I want to remove this Xbox app. You can click right on the app and you'll find there is an option Unpin from text bar. You can just select on that Unpin from text bar. And also I want to remove this, the Microsoft Store. You can click right on the app, unpin from text bar. So now there's no, the app's no longer on your text bar. And also I want to remove this one. And so now you have more clear text bar look on your PC or laptop on Windows 11. It's very simple, right? So that is how to unpin apps from your text bar on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!